jaw implants, custom versus standard. I want to talk today a little bit about what we call standard or off-the-shelf implants and what is available and when that might be a better choice for you versus a custom implant. So the first thing to understand is that when I say standard or off-the-shelf implants, this does not mean that this is a one-size-fits-all. The company that I like to order implants from, Implant Tech, has several different shapes of implants. Each of the different shapes helps to achieve a different aesthetic goal. And then all those different shaped implants also come in different sizes. So most of the time, the patient and I are able to work together to find something that's going to meet their aesthetic goals and matches their face. Today what I want to do is go over a couple of the different shapes so that you have an idea of what you can be choosing from. So this implant here, this is a lengthening implant. And so if you can see, this is the bottom of the jawbone. The implant makes the jawbone longer vertically. So that means the distance from, say, your earlobe to the bottom of your jaw is going to be increased. So it's going to be longer and taller. It does not add a lot of width. So this is an implant that I really like to use for women who want to see more definition in their jaw. Maybe they have a weak jaw. They want to see a nice shadow under here, but they do not want bulk from the front. They don't want to look wide. Just when they look from the side, they want to see more definition. A lengthening implant is a good choice for that. Now, this implant does something similar. This also, the focus is to lengthen the jaw. It adds a little bit of width. What's different about this implant is instead of just going down here at the angle of the jaw, it also has volume all the way up the back of the ramus or the back of the jawbone. And so it gives a lot more structure and definition here, as well as length and a tiny bit of width. I like this implant for men who maybe already have width and just want more definition, or just have a short jaw, a steep angle from their jaw to their chin, and want to have it lengthened. So this is a good implant for men who are not looking for a lot of width or like a square look from the front, but want more definition, more strength along the posterior border, and to have the jawbone lowered. And this implant, which looks a lot the same as the other one by these diagrams, but this implant is a widening implant. And so this adds width. It adds how much the jaw sticks out the side. So it adds a tiny bit of height, but it's mostly focused on width. I also like this one because it adds a lot of strength along the back of the jaw.